Good morning to one and all. This is Swarna Kumari, DL in Botany from TTRRDC in Mulugu. Today we have to discuss about the NEETM development of microsporangia. Okay. Today we have to discuss about the NEETM of development of microsporangia. Okay. Now I will show the one picture. Okay. You have to see this one. Okay. Now we have to discuss about the microsporangia. Microsporangia development take place in eusporangiate method. Which method, Nana? Eusporangiate method. Intuition of the sporangia start from the differentiation of two cells below the epidermis as archaeosporial cells. Okay. These two cells divided and form a mass of primary sporangious cells. Okay, these two cells divided and form a mass of primary sporangious cells. Okay, and next one, in which pericyllinia division separated outer peritoneal cells. Okay, and inner spore mother cell and inner spore mother cells. Primary wall layer further undergoes pericyllian division to make sporangial wall and the innermost layer from into tapetum. Okay, you have to see this picture. Primary wall layer further undergoes sporangial division to make sporangial wall in the innermost layer from inner layer most from into tapetum. Okay, spore mother cells undergoes meiosis division and form into haploid microsporangia or pollen grains. Spore mother cells undergoes meiosis via division and forms into haploid microsporangia or pollen grains. Okay. And next we have to discuss about the development of male gametophyte. Okay. And next I will show the one picture. Okay. See this picture. There are different opinions regarding the development of male gametophyte in NEETM. There are different opinions, okay, there are different opinions are there. How to they develop the male gametophyte in NEETM. Okay, now we have to discuss about the Parson. Okay. He studied the development of male gametophyte in NEETM nimon and NEETM africanum. Microspore nucleus divided into two daughters nucleus and spread by a septum. Okay, see this one. He studied the development of male gametophyte in a NEETM nimonum and NEETM africanum. Okay. Macrospores nuclear division into two daughters nuclear and separated by a septum. Okay, one of the nucleus again divided and form a three nuclear. One of the nuclear again divided. There two daughters are there, and again the two daughters are one daughter is again divided into form the three nucleus. Okay, there are prothalloid nucleus, generative nucleus and tube nucleus. Okay, prothalloid nucleus, generative nucleus and tube nucleus. It is clear. Next, as the three nuclear stage, the open grains are released. The pollen grains are released. At this three nuclear stage, the pollen grains are released. Pollen grains germinated into pollination drop of the ovulate macrophyll region. Okay, macrophyll region. pollen grains germinated in pollination drop of the ovulate micropollen region. Pollen grains absorb moisture from the pollination drop, where the exen softens and extends into the germination tube. Okay, germination tube. Next, tube nucleus first enter the pollen tube. Tube nucleus first enters the pollen grains, pollen tubes. Next, generative nucleus development cell wall and form generative cells. Generative nucleus develop cell wall and forms a generative cells. Later dividing into two male gametes in the pollen tube. Later dividing into two male gametes in the pollen tube. Polyethyl cell disintegrated. Okay, polyethyl cells disintegrated. Okay, next one we have to discuss about the Thomson. Okay, next we have to discuss about the Thomson. Okay, in the scientist, according to him, there is no prothallus cell and the first division result in the formation of tube and generative cell. He said there is no prothallus. Okay, there is no prothallus cell and the first division result in the formation of tube and generative cells. Generative cells again divides into stalk cell and body cell. They are generative cell again divide into stalk cell and body cell. Stalk cell remains in the pollen grains and the tube cell and the generative cell enters the germ tube. You have to remember this one. Stalk cell remains in the pollen grains and the tube cell and the generative cell enters the germ tubes. Okay. Finally, the body cell divides and forms two male gametes. Okay. Finally, see this one. Finally, the body cell divides into and forms two male gametophyte. Next, we have to discuss about the Nigi and Madhulata. What she said, we have to discuss about now. Now, this scientist observed the formation of the small lenticular prothallus cell in the Neetum ula and Neetum nemone. Okay, the scientist observed the formation of the small lenticular prothallus cell in Neetum ula and Neetum nemonum, which later becomes spatials and never enter the pollen tube. Which later becomes spatial and never spatial and never enters the pollen tube. Next, generative cell divides into male gametes. Next, generative cell divides into two male gametes. Okay. According to these authors, the generative cell divides directly into male gametes and does not form stalk cell and body cell. You have to remember this. First, what he said, Thomson, stalk cell remain the pollen grains and the tube cells or generative cell enter the germ tubes. Finally, the body cell divides in form two male gametophyte. Now, according to these anthros, the generative cell divides directly. Divides directly into male gametes and does not form stalk cell and body cell. Okay, it is clear. Next, we have to discuss about the structure of female cone. Structure of female cone. Okay, I will show the one picture. See this one. See, the structure of the female stolobles is quite like that of the male strobilus. Okay, now see the structure of the female storables. The structure of the female storables is quite what is quite like that of the like that of the male storables. Okay, central part of the storable is called axis. Central part of the storables is called axis, which is differentiated into nodes and internodes, which is differentiated into nodes and internodes. At each node bract are fused and form a couple or collar. Cupels are collar. Okay, sorry. At each node bracts are fused and form a cupel or chloral. Okay, next in the axils of the collar and one ring on female flowers arise with 4 to 10 ovules. Okay, so, remember this one, female flowers arise with 4 to 10 ovules. Here ovules are equivalented to female flowers. Equivalented to female flowers. Ovules are equivalented to female flowers. Next we have to discuss about the female flower ovule. Okay. Now see, ovules are stalks. Ovules are stalks are sicily. Okay. Center of the ovules is occupied by nucleus, which is enclosed by the three integuments. Okay. Innermost layer of the integument elongates and forms the macrophyll. Okay. There are different opinions reading the integuments considered. Okay. Now see, according to Strasburger 1872, the three integument's are 3 layers of a single integument. Okay, single integument. Next, Bakery 1872 and Campbell regarded the inner and middle envelopes as outer and inner integuments and the outer envelope as perianth. Okay. Next one, according to Vasil 1959, the inner and the middle envelopes are ovaries because of their build to form styles. Other envelope is considered as the perianth. Okay. Next one we have to discuss about the development of megaspores. Okay. Next we have to discuss about the development of megaspores. I will show the one picture. Now see, development of megaspores. The ovule primordia arise on the annular meristematic ring that develop below each collar. Okay, ovular perimantle are divided into forms a mass of cell enclosed by 3 envelopes that develop one after the other. Okay, the mass of cell surrounded by the 3 envelopes develop into the nucleus. Okay, a group of 2 to 4 archaeosporous cells develop below the epidermis. The archaeosporous cells divided and form outer primary parietals. Okay. Next, cell and inner sporangious cells. Massive nucleation passes the sporangious cells deep into the nucleus. The sporangious cell divided it twice to from 8 to 16 sporangious. Okay, cells arranged in linear rows. Cells arranged in linear rows. These functional directly as megaspores. Mother cells, all of them may undergoes meiotic division from transposed embryo scales. Okay, this is the development of megaspores.